Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up for your website. For example, if you are announcing a sale or a Black Friday and you want to show your viewers a pop-up whenever they open a website, your website, or if you want a user to view the pop-up only once in a week or in a month, then this video is for you. Okay, first of all, you will need to install a plugin called Pop-up Maker. So come to the admin panel and click on plugins, add new. Here type Pop-up Maker and press enter. In the search result, you will see Pop-up Maker by Pop-up Maker. So you will have to install this plugin. I already have this and activated, so you will not see the install and update plugin update button. Okay, now as I already have this, I'll click on installed plugin here. In the plugins, I already have this installed and activated. So in the admin menu, I will look for Pop-up Maker menu and click on that. Here click on add new pop-up. Give the pop-up a name, sale, Friday sale, and the title will be sale banner. In the contents, I'll add media and upload files. Click on select files. Here I'll search for sale, pop-up notification sale, which is this image. Click insert into post. Click on image and click on edit. Choose the size, full size, and update. Okay, now the triggers. The trigger is that thing when you open a website, then it will be open. And if you want to make the user click on a button, so then you will add a trigger, that button as a trigger. Okay, now we will add click to open. No, we will give it a time delay to open this. And if you want the users to see each time they open the website, then you will not need this one. But if you want a single user just to show the pop-up for the first time when he opened the website, then you will need a cookie, and on pop-up close the cookie will be set. Okay, add, and the delay from opening the website will be 5 seconds, which is 5000 milliseconds, and cookie name will be this, add new. Okay, now publish. Now come to your website and refresh the page. After refreshing and 5 seconds, there will be a pop-up which is sale banner and this, and when the user close this sale banner, they will no longer see that offer. Even when they refresh the page, the banner will not appear on this page. because we set up a cookie, which means when a user once saw the banner, then they will not be able to see it within 1 month when they open your website, which where the setting shows 1 month for the cookie. If we delete this cookie from here and edit the trigger and remove the cookie from here also, click on update and update here also. Now every user will see the pop-up every time they visit your website, no matter if they open it 20 times a day or um, 20 times in 1 hour. They will see the banner. Let's refresh the page, and now every user every time will see the banner. After 5 seconds the banner will be appeared. Okay, that's all for this video, and it is requested to please subscribe our channel so you won't miss our future updates. And also, if you need a web hosting, then please go to the link below our video in the description, and you will be redirected to Bluehost, and we will also get a small commission from them. Thank you.